Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about prototype. So let's create a frame and let's create another one. Okay, we have two frames now and you can rename it whatever you want. So select the move tool and rename it like and this one into okay. So let's create a square on this frame. The shortcut is R and you can just create a square and you can see the square is on the first frame. So let's copy this square on the second frame like this, and let's make this square into circle by using these dots. Okay, so now go into prototype. In prototype section you have options like background model. This is the gold model of iPhone 11 Pro Max and this is the device name, and you can switch this mobile into horizontal or vertical position. So let's change the background into white like this. You can see the background change into white. So what I want to do is that when I'm gonna click on this square, then it have to change into this circle. If I click on this square, you can see there is a white dot on the right side of the square, and if I click on this, you can see there is a wire like this. And if I move this on the second frame and attach to it, then you can see this interaction panel will be pop up. So from here you can add options like on tab you have to do this action, like if I tap on this, then this square will be changed into this circle. So you can set all the things from here. So for now I'm going to choose on tab and navigate to the circle. We are navigating from this page to this, so we are going to choose navigate, and we are navigating from square to circle. From the first frame is square and the second frame is circle, so that's why it is saying the circle. Most of the time the animation option is in the instance, so we have to choose the smart animation to have that cool effect. And you can also set the time. Currently it is in 300 millisecond. If you want, you can change it from here, but for now I'm gonna leave as it is. And now let's click on this play button or present button, and you can see the new window is popped up, and you can also see the background is white. If I click on this smartphone, you can see this is telling me this is the hotkey, and if I click on this square, you can see it is changed into circle. But if I click on the circle again, it is not going to change into square again. So we can make that. Let's go into project again and just click on this circle, and you can see this dot, and you can move this to first frame like this. You can see the interaction panel. For now I'm gonna leave as it is, like all the options like smart animation and on tab, all that. So let's go into project again, and you can see currently it is in a circle, and if I click on this again, and you can see the circle is changed into square now, and if I click this again on the square, you can see that it is changed into circle now. So I have a project, like I made this random project for the demo purpose. You can see this navigation buttons like home, contact, about. So what I want to do is that I want to join this connect button to this page and about navigation to the last page. So you already know what to do. You can pause the video and think about it, how we are gonna do this. So let's do this contact first. Currently I am in prototype panel, so you can see this plus button, and let's drag this into this second panel, second frame, and let's click on this about, and let's join this towards third panel like this. And if I play this, if I click on this frame, then you can see then the hotspot keys are contact and about, and if I click on this contact, then you can see the frame is changed into contact. And let's do it again. So currently on this page we don't have any hotspot keys, so we have to create those things again. We only joined this first page, so we have to do it for the second and third page. So let's do it for the second page. From home we have to go towards home page, and from, so this is the contact page, so we don't have to do anything with this. And let's click on the about and drag it on the third frame like this. And the same for about page. From home button it has to go on to home page, and the from contact it has to go on the contact page like this. And if I click on this one of this wire, and you can see the interaction details, like on tab it has to go on the desktop too like this. So for now we are just interacting with these pages, so we don't have to choose any other options like smart animation and all that. But if you want, you can do that, like you can just use move out. You can see this little animation over here. So let's play it again. So as you can see, currently on contact page, and the hotkeys are home and about. And if I click on this home, you can see we are currently on the home page. And let's change into contact. So currently on contact, so let's go on the about frame. And if I click on this contact, you can see this move in effect. So that's how you can prototype your project. For this project I choose this iPad Pro 12.9. you can choose whatever you want, like iPad Pro 11, Surface Pro. You can also choose Apple watches, and but this is the web page, so that's why I choose this you can say the iPad Pro, because this has a bigger resolution. So I think that's it. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.